welcome back to my YouTube channel, and very thank you for watching my videos and subscribe my videos. Okay, today we are going to show you how to make penne arrabbiata pasta. So you remember in my second episode I show you how to make the concasse sauce. So this sauce we are going to add in this pasta. So keep on guys. Okay guys, we are going to boiling the pasta. My water is boiling now. We have to add little bit salt and olive oil. This is our last step of penne arrabbiata. Olive oil in, garlic in, golden brown, concasse sauce, pasta in also. To get more taste, just add little bit salt also. And add Parmesan cheese. Our pasta is ready now. We are going to plating right now. As a garnish, I will add basil on the top, and as a side dish, I will add garlic bread. Alright guys, now you know how to make penne arrabbiata pasta. So try to make it at home and put the photos in my comment section. So keep on guys. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe my video.